right, guys, we're gonna do a cold start on this Corvette right here. I'm out here at Metro Ford this morning, Saturday morning, guys. My friend Kendall gonna bring it out so I can film it. We're gonna get a good cold start on it. It's gonna be loud. There you go. There you go, baby. Loud and proud, baby. Loud and proud. Ooh, look at that smoke, baby. Look at them stripes on there, man. Look at those stripes. Oh, this thing's nasty. Nasty, nasty. That thing's loud, man. What year is this? 2021, guys. Introduce yourself, Kendall.
My name is Kendall at Metro Ford City, and I'm here with Uncle Mike, and we got this Corvette. Check it out.
Appreciate you, brother.
No problem.
Yes, sir. All right, let's get the inside, guys. Ooh, look at here. That is nice, man. Yeah, it's nice. See what kind of speakers we're working with. Got some Bose speakers in there, guys. Bose. There you go. Stingray 2021. I'll check out this steering wheel. The steering wheel's tight, man. Show you these stripes on here. I like these stripes. Got the lights down here and right here. Make sure everybody see you when you're driving this thing. And let me get back where you can see the full car, guys. Let me get on back. There you go. Look at that thing, man. That thing is beautiful. You like that, Kendall? That's beautiful, ain't it?
That's nice, yeah.
That's nice, man. Yeah, let's hear that exhaust sound. That ain't definitely exhaust. All right, guys, you're gonna put it back in up there where it belongs. Thank you, Kendall. Appreciate you, brother. This thing is nasty. You guys hear that cold start when he started this thing up? Man, this thing is nasty. Ooh, I love that cold start. That white smoke that's coming out of it too. I love it. Let me get up. We're gonna shut it down. Let me get that last sound out of it. All right, guys, it's Uncle Mike here. Let me show you where I'm located once again. I'm out here at Metro Ford, guys. This is Uncle Mike. I'll see you guys on the other side. Have a great weekend, guys. Late.